I don't know if you can hear this, so I'm going to shut up and point the cell phone towards the fan that's making the noise. It is this one right here. So essentially a $30 freaking fan makes an incredibly annoying noise. Not even these little $25 5-pack RGB fans from China from a little company called Up Here makes a noise that's this irritatingly loud. Nice job, Corsair. Great. Gonna be returning this fan to freaking Best Buy. Not looking forward to that. Especially considering I just got done going through some bullshit with Windows 10 on my computer when I swapped the board around. Now, granted, I can probably do this. Come on, go into the BIOS. It's running slow enough not to make a racket anymore, but now it's not running as fast as I would like it to go. This fan was, for a while, really quiet, and now it's making this annoying. Now it's making that annoying chirp noise, and now I can't. Now I gotta run it as slow. Granted, when it comes to these fans are relatively noisy. But I normally have a on-off switch that I can go and manually control them. But the switch died, so they're just gonna be constant on for a little while. But I guess I won't be spending $200 on Corsair fans. I was initially gonna. If this fan was actually as good as the guy on Best Buy says it was, I was thinking I would eventually go and just swap all these cooler fans to Corsair. To just standard white Corsair fans, but this one's too. But the way this one's acting, I don't think I'll be doing that. I thought I was done. I am not. Again, all that noise is coming from this fan.